see, I was living with this boy. He was my first boyfriend, really, and things weren't working out.
Okay. Go ahead and.
So hi guys, today we're gonna be making galaxy slime, but I kind of already put the pink glue in. So now I'm just gonna put the glow in the dark slime in. Can I help?
No, you can't put the glow in the dark slime in yet.
Why?
Because this is how we have to make slime. So in order to make slime, we have to put this in there, but a little at a time and be mixing it up. That's another slime making. That's a different slime making.
So we can't use both of these?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put in shaving cream.
Well, would you do that first?
No,
or do you
don't
put
do that first. You put the glue in first.
Yeah. Well.
Oh. The shaving cream will make it fluffy.
Yeah, but this is what actually makes it into slime.
Yeah, I know. It's the activator. I love fluffy slime.
Okay, let's see.
Is it like out of it?
No, it's in there, but I don't know. So we'll start making the slime.
Okay.
A little at a time, and you'll have to start mixing it. Not a little more.
Okay, that should be it.
Okay, you have to start mixing it with your hand. Stick your hand in.
Wait, what? No, it's usually with like a spoon first, and then you go in with your hands.
Well, then you'll have to get a spoon.
Okay. I'll go this way. There and there.
In the drawer. No.
Over here. Let me show you. Now I'm just gonna start.
Well, no, you have to actually get to the solution over there. Start stirring that solution in. That's what needs to get stirred in.
This is gonna be pink slime for sure. Like a very light pink. This is gonna be pink slime for sure. You guys, it's turning into slime.
Make sure you get that stuff mixed in really well. No, that liquidy stuff.
It's turning into slime.
Okay. Right there.
So after high school, I went to junior college for a couple semesters.
Whoa! I think I'm gonna go in with my hands now.
Okay, let's make sure it stays on the table.
And I added this a little bit for you, Maggie. So sticky, but it's more like you need with it, the less sticky that you get.
Yeah, you might need some more of that.
Yeah, I think we need some more of that, Max. Okay, that's it. Now, do you want to stir some? My hands are kind of messy. No, thank you. Because I'm going to go make my. I'm going to make my slime.
Well, Maggie, we haven't determined that yet.
I know.
We said that you could stir some or get your hands in it.
But what about the other glue?
Yeah, but that's still her birthday present. Still. Okay. We got to hurry up and start stirring this stuff in.
And there's a slime. Okay, you guys are there. So pink. Maggie.
So you need to really start stirring with your hands now.
Okay. But sticky. You need more apple cider, Maggie. I just wanted to see what the activator.
Oh no, don't do it up. I mean, keep it in the bowl. It's still too sticky for that. So maybe the rest of that. Go ahead, Mike. Put the rest of that in.
Ah! The activator smells weird. Yeah, but it smells good though. So pink. I told you it would be really pink.
Mm-hmm. You'll get that some of that solution on your hands, and it'll, certainly start turning into slime instead of sticky on your hands. How's it going? Doesn't look as glittery, does it?
No,
I
but
wonder why.
yeah, this is definitely shaped fluffy slime, but it isn't as fluffy as I imagined. Why can't we add more? Definitely slime.
Well, there's still plenty of that stuff to get mixed in.
It's definitely pink. It's rolling. It's definitely pink slime.
Yeah, make sure you mix in the bottom.
From the camera, it's
Bottom
really
more than
pink.
anything else.
From the camera, it's kind of way pink. It's like kind of pink. Trying to get what the color is. Because that's what this other side's.
All of this did not come out.
Yeah, but most of it did.
Yeah, but we're not going to throw that away.
Oh.
Smells pink.
Oh yeah, it does. Can I smell? It smells weird though.
You smell it?
Yeah. Oh, the string getting into your hand. Maggie, you are literally playing it way too hard. Maggie, why did I didn't? Oh! Whoa!
That's certainly slimy.
It's on my hands. That's why it's called slime. So I'm just gonna go in on my hands and start mixing. Put on your. You guys, it is my birthday.
Huh?
I said, you guys, it is my birthday.
Uh-huh. I know.
I got some on my hands.
Yeah, we're trying to get it off too.
Oh, and look, you also clean your hands. Oh my, you literally dropped the whole thing.
Well, we had already taken the activator out. And you got your finger over the hole, so let's just pause it for a moment.
You want to keep that slime and you want to get this slime. This slime is really good, but we'll see how that one comes out.
Oh, let's see.
Whoa.
Whoa. Here, I'll do that.
I really do like this slime. Do you have foam beads? Yeah.
No.
Okay. Because if you had foam beads, then that would make it crunchy slime. Or a foam slime. Yeah. But I didn't say foam beads. Oh. Transparent coming down. Well, mine's not written out. This really clicks. I've never had this good of slime. When I was in kindergarten, we were making polar bear slime that was white, but I never knew that slime was so great, so I never really played with it because I never knew that slime was so great then because I was in kindergarten, and then I didn't even know a thing about, We did it. It's so sticky. It is. Oh, that's definitely gonna be blue. That's definitely gonna be blue. It might be because you added like only a little bit of pink, and so then the blue just took over.
Yeah, get it all stirred in.
You go through the same process as I did, Maggie. Same exact process. Well, as that is how it is when you first make it and you go in with your hands versus the good, real, very good slime that you will have and it will turn out.
Yeah, you have to keep going for the bottom because that's where the activator stuff is.
Mm-hmm. In the bowl. If you don't get the activator, then it's just gonna be goo, and you won't.
Yeah.
It's just gonna be very liquid. Here's what my son did at us.
Yeah, I've been doing yours too.
Very pink and glittery.
And it's getting better by the moment.
Mine is
A work in progress.
It was very sticky, but the more you knead with it, the more it will become.
Yeah, get some more of that activator down there and there.
The less stickier it will be. Yeah. And it's raining. The good thing, no, we're after school. Well, after Mimi's house, is outside, not inside. Yay! Because after this we're going to Monkey Joe's, and then even though I'm probably gonna either continue, and then we're play with my slime, and then we're going to go to
We're gonna meet y'all at Golden Corral.
Yeah, but then we're gonna go to the mall and we're gonna get some Heelys. In case you don't know what Heelys are.
Oh, I do. They have.
Yeah, they have wheels on the bottom. They're basically shoes, but
Here, get some more.
They're basically roller skates, but not. They're shoes. They have,
Get all that stuff stirred off the side and into your, mix there. Yeah.
Oh my God. And then we're going to Golden Corral for dinner. So, and all those three things are inside. It's not like Monkey Joe's is an outdoor area.
It's coming off your hands now.
So, like, Dad's gonna pick us up, and he's gonna take us to Monkey Joe's, and then we're going to go to, and then Mom's going to pick us up. We're gonna go to the mall, and then, and Dad's going to go to work. Yeah, and then we're gonna go to Golden Corral with Mom. And the reason why we can't go to Golden Corral as a family with Dad is because he has work. He's going to be at work by the time we go to Golden Corral.
Yeah, so that's why he's taking you to Monkey Joe's.
Yeah. because Dad works at night. He has a night shift. So like he goes to work at 5 p.m. then comes back at 10 p.m.
Maggie,
And if
what's
not,
that tongue doing hanging out your mouth?
Look, I have a beautiful glove. Slime is very good. But look at my slime. It's thinning out now. It's getting into slime. Wow. Should we make our slime smoothie? Ooh, yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking.
Make your slimes wet?
Slime smoothie. Let's put it on. So
No, don't do that.
what we do is we mix it together, and then that's slime smoothie. Can we? We mix our slimes together, and that's basically a slime smoothie. Can we? It can be whatever slimes you want. Just.
Well, then there would just be one slime instead of two.
I know, but then we could share. And it would be my sister's slime smoothie. I'm gonna get a container for both of us.
Well,
to,
maybe put like half of one and half another and put them together. I wouldn't do both of them because this one will glow in the dark if it gets some sunlight. Now, there's no sunlight today, so it's not going to glow in the dark, but it will. I don't know if it will if you mix it with the pink, though. Yeah, that's getting more glittery and more glittery, isn't it?
I know. And more stretchy and better by the minute. It isn't getting darker or anything. It's just like. It would be better if this was a hot pink, but this is still a pretty pink. So I won't complain. Still pretty. It's still very transparent, see? Very.
Oh, yeah. And I can see you got glittery.
Yes! Thank you for the glittery face mask.
Okay, we're going to turn it off now. So, you want to show up your slime and say,
This is my slime. This is my slime, and they turned out great. Except mine's very sticky. Yeah.
well, the more you work on it, the more you see how your sister's got. Okay, bye-bye, everybody.
This was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like and share. And hit the bell to be notified whenever we post any other videos. And this is one of our first slime videos. And we'll see you later. Yay! Happy Slime Day! We love you so much. Bye! And guys, I forgot to sing happy birthday to my sister since today is her birthday.
Well, hit it, Maggie.
Mine just kind of like
Okay, bye-bye, and happy birthday, Josie.